Noah! Ven, Noah!
Hi everyone! I'm going to use acrylic painting by Art Americana. Look in the video information to see the colors I use.